how to brainstorm 15 digital product ideas in 5 minutes. Hi there, builders. If you're feeling stumped on what digital products to create, I'll show you a quick and easy way to brainstorm 15 ideas in 5 minutes so you have a list of ideas tailored to your niche and expertise. Because once you're clear on your idea, you can start taking action to test the topic with your audience. I'll be demoing how you can use a tool called ChatGPT to quickly generate these ideas. In case you're not familiar, ChatGPT is an AI or artificial intelligence chatbot that can generate human-like text in response to prompts or questions that you give it. And to do this, ChatGPT was trained with massive amounts of data from the internet and from human feedback to help it understand what you want when you ask a question so that it can provide you useful responses. To try out ChatGPT, go to the link chat.openai.com. I'll also include a link to this in the video description. And once you land there, you'll be able to try out ChatGPT version 3.5. That's the free version. And you can see this is where you will start typing your prompt. And for you to be able to save your chat history, you would sign up for an account. You just click sign up and then follow the instructions for creating an account. Now, this is really important when you're using ChatGPT. ChatGPT's output is only as good as your input. Don't make the mistake of only giving it broad, generic questions and prompts, because that means you're going to end up with bland, generic responses. Instead, we want to input into ChatGPT as much context and specificity as possible so that it gives you a more relevant and valuable list of digital product ideas. An effective prompt for ChatGPT will have these two types of inputs. First, it's details that give important context. And also, you want to give it a clearly defined task for ChatGPT to perform. Examples of tasks include answering a certain question in a conversational manner, writing a blog post or email, editing a piece of content for tone, style, or grammar, or summarizing long passages of text. When you have these types of inputs, you'll be able to get a great output, which is a specific and relevant response. For today's video, we're going to ask ChatGPT to generate a list of ideas for us, and I'll demo that in a little bit in the video. For our inputs, we'll use a simple 4-part prompt framework so that we can prompt ChatGPT effectively. The first part is the audience description. And this is where you want to describe your target audience in detail, including their demographics, interests, and pain points. Then you'll want the problem statement. This is where you clearly define the primary challenge or problem the audience faces. Next is the desired outcome. What's the desired outcome or solution your audience is seeking? And then lastly, your expertise. You want to highlight and pinpoint your areas of expertise and knowledge that are relevant to addressing your audience's needs and solving that problem. Again, super important. You must understand your audience and be able to define your expertise in order to brainstorm a good list of ideas. And if you're not clear on your audience, then that means you're going to need to do research first and collect feedback and insight into what your audience truly needs or wants. So many entrepreneurs make the mistake of skipping this step, and then they're wondering why their digital products aren't selling to their audience. And oftentimes, it's not really resonating with the audience because it's not truly addressing a problem that they need solved. Now, if you are clear about your audience and the expertise you will use to help them, then keep on watching the video. So I created a Google Doc where you can fill in your responses for each part of the framework, and I'm going to show you how to use it right now. For this example, I'm going to pretend I'm a fitness coach targeting busy professionals who struggle to find time for exercise. So you can see, scrolling down, there is a text box for you to start typing in your answers for each part of the framework. For the audience description, I pre-wrote this ahead of time. Here I put my target audience consists of busy professionals aged 25 to 45, who work full-time jobs and struggle to prioritize exercise due to their hectic schedules. They're interested in improving their health and fitness, but they often feel overwhelmed by their work and family responsibilities. Next, the problem statement. In this one, many of my audience members find it challenging to find time for regular exercise amidst their busy schedules. They often feel tired, stressed, and lacking in motivation to prioritize their health. For the desired outcome, my audience is seeking convenient and effective solutions to incorporate fitness into their daily routines without sacrificing too much time or energy. They want practical strategies and resources to help them stay active and healthy despite their busy lifestyles. And finally, for the expertise, as a certified fitness coach with experience working with busy professionals, I specialize in designing personalized workout plans, creating time efficient exercise routines, and offering motivational support to help my clients achieve their fitness goals. Now, of course, you can get even more detailed with each of these responses, especially if you've got feedback or client testimonials you can pull some language from. But we're just going to use this as a start for what you could start putting into ChatGPT. Now, down here, you'll also notice there's a section called the task. And this is the task that we want to clearly define for ChatGPT to perform. And here it says, brainstorm a list of 15 digital product ideas based on the audience, problem statement, desired outcome, and expertise that I listed above. So let's see this at work in the ChatGPT tool. Here I am logged into my ChatGPT account, and I'm going to click up here at this little edit icon for new chat. And right here where it says message ChatGPT, I'm going to be pasting what I had typed into that Google Doc. So I'm going to go back to the Google Doc, go up to the audience description, and I'll copy this, paste that in, grab the next one. And of course, I want to bring over the task that I want ChatGPT to perform. And one thing I forgot to add is I want to add the names of each part of the framework. So audience description, problem statement, the outcome, and tease. Okay, now that we have everything entered, we're going to hit send message. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So in less than 20 seconds or so, ChatGPT has spit out 15 ideas. Let's take a quick glance at them and see which one stands out. I really like this one, the Desker Size ebook, a guide that features quick and discrete exercises that can be done at a desk or a small office space. Perfect for incorporating movement into the workday. I actually really like that one. Let's see what else. Stress management and mindfulness course. So if you go the course route, what are some techniques and practices tailored to their unique challenges that the busy professionals face? I like this one, the virtual lunchtime workout sessions. So for people who are worried that they don't have time to work out once they get home because of obligations to family, lunchtime could be the perfect time and maybe their only time slot where they can get a workout in. And then I like this one too, the customizable workout templates. What are some fill in the blank templates that I could create where someone could put in their goals, their preferences, and how intense and how long they want the exercises to be? Now, what's beautiful about this is you could keep repeating this exercise as many times as you need, especially if you end up swapping out the problem statement. Like maybe as you talk to more people, there's a different problem statement you want to test and see what ideas come out of that. Or what you could also do is say, hey, I really like the Desker Size ebook idea. Give me more ideas like that. So let's type that in. Like idea number 3, give me 15 more digital product ideas similar to that one. Once you start narrowing your focus, ChatGPT can go to town and drill down even more specifically if there's an idea that resonates with you. I like this one, creating a simple infographic featuring simple desk stretches. Maybe that's something that inspires you to create a series of social media posts that ultimately will help promote your Desker Size ebook. Love that one. Let's see what else. Healthy snacking recipe booklet. So maybe instead of like a whole meal plan, a quick cheat sheet of healthy snacks that someone could use. So again, repeat this as many times as necessary. Then what I recommend is copying over the ideas that you really like back into the Google Doc. Remember, I like this Desker Size ebook. I'm going to copy that one. And at the bottom of the Google Doc, you'll see a section called Ideas List. You can just highlight the word idea. That's just a placeholder. Delete that. And then you can just paste Desker Size ebook. That's one idea that you can explore. So I copied some over. If you don't feel like you need all 15 ideas for you to get started, that's completely fine. I did just put 15 placeholders for you to fill out. But this is a great set of ideas that I could run with. You want to check out my next videos about how do you test these ideas with your audience to start getting a gauge on how interested they'd be, how likely you might be to actually sell this product if you were to create it. Use the Google Doc fill out the framework. There is a link to this Google Doc in the lesson, so you can make a copy of it into your own Google Drive account, or you can also download a Microsoft Word version of it directly to your computer. If you like this video and my teaching style, there's more like it inside my Digital Empire membership, where I help you create and launch your first digital products. I offer live coaching and on-demand training for only $10 a month. Comment the word Empire and I'll send you a link so you can see what's included. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and strategies for building your own digital empire.